Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll understand how to file EPFO new ECR. That is nothing but we'll be understanding in this video about the EPFO's Re-Engineered ECR version 3. If you are an employer, HR professional or handling EPF compliance, then this video will be a complete game changer for you. Earlier, in the old single ECR system, even a single system you had to file the entire return again. There are errors, delays and complaints issues and sometimes even penalties. But now with new ECR version 3, the process has become error-free, flexible and transparent. Agenda. Let us understand the agenda of this video. Segment A. Return filing, view or upload returns. In this segment, the entry point of EPF return filing starts, where you can view, upload and manage returns. Segment B. Regular returns. In this segment, filing the monthly returns for all active employees in a specific wage month takes place. Segment C. Supplementary return. In this segment, filing returns of newly joined employees are not included in the regular return takes place. Then finally the segment D, revised return. In this segment, correcting mistakes in a already approved return without refiling the entire return takes place. So friends, these are the 4 segments of ECR filing which we'll be understanding in this video in the version 3 of ECR. Before that, let us understand key advantages of ECR version 3. Now you don't have to struggle with one system. The system gives you 3 options: regular return for your active employees, supplementary returns for job joiners, and reverse returns if you make any mistake. You get the flexibility of choosing full payment or part payment depending upon your situation. The system generates separate challans for contributions, admin charges, interest and penalties, which means clear tracking and no confusion. A very useful feature is the option to download the active member list directly from the portal and cross-check with your payroll, so you don't make any mistake. If you make a mistake while filing, the portal gives you an error file that tells you exactly where you went wrong, so you can fix it quickly instead of refiling everything. Plus, there is a 4-month relaxation for filing certain subsets, which gives you extra time and reduces the pressure. In short, this new system gives employees and HR teams more control, fewer hassles, and strong protection from unnecessary penalties. Wasting no time, let's get into the practical part of the video and understand the 4 segments of filing the ECR in the ECR new version 3. Segment 1, return filing, view or upload returns. Here, you need to go to Google and search EPFO. Here you'll find the EPFO website, where you need to click the website, and you can find on right side corner ECR return or payment. Click this button. Once you click this, and home page of EPFO website pops out. Read the instruction and click on OK. Then go to the right side corner and enter the username, password and the captcha code, then click on sign in button. Here you will be directed to the home page of EPFO portal. Now you need to go to the Payments tab and click on Return Filing Quick Links. Then you will be pop up to Return Quick Links. Here you can find the Returns Filing home page, View Pay Challan, File Arrears Returns, Return Filing History. Here you need to click on Return Filing home page. Then you will be pop up to Return Filing home page, where you can see the entries of summary details of all the months. Here you need to go to wage month, wherein you need to search the wage month for which wage month you want to contribute the ECR. Enter the date and click on search button. Here you will be popped out with the details of the month-wise returns. Here you need to go to view and upload button and click it. Then you will be popped out to upload monthly contributions or returns for the specific month. On the right side you can see the member details and exemption status. And you can also download the active member list where you can check out and verify with the existing employees to avoid mismatch or any mistakes. Once that is done, you can just click on help button where you will be popped out with the help file, like how the document has to be formatted and uploaded to the site. To avoid any mistake, make sure that the file is created properly without any mistakes. Now we have done with the segment A, that is return filing, view or upload returns. Now let's get into the segment B, regular returns. In regular returns, click on choose button and select the text file and then click on the type of return. Here we are filing return as regular, so click on return regular and click on the percentage of contribution, enter the remark and click on upload button. If you want to make any changes, you can reset the button. Once the upload is done, click on OK. Here you can see that file validation failed. If there is any mistake in the file cannot get validated. So make sure that the file whatever you upload is correct without any errors. Once again upload the file, correct file and click on OK. File validation successful. Here you can see the return file ID, return file and return statement wherein action is required, approve or reject. You can click on return statement and check out whether all the details of the employees are correct or wrong or mismatching with the statement. If you feel any mistakes, then you can click on reject button and reject the file. Once after checking everything, if the file is correct, then click on approve button. A pop-up will be coming where you need to click on OK, and here you can see that file written approved successfully. Kindly prepare the challan for appropriate payment options. So complete challan is displayed over here. Here you can see the contribution summary and the total account wise summary. Here you can see the payments are done partial, part, full and pay admin charges and view pay challans, and also pay 7Q and 14B charges. In earlier we used to have all challans together in a single payment, but here we have multiple payment options. Whatever feasible, we can make the payments separately. View and pay challans, click here. Here you can see the in process of challan list, recent challan lists. Here you can check out all the details, pay challan. Coming to admin charges, click on pay admin and inspection charges. Here you will be directed to challan details, admin charges and inspection charges. After filling the details, you can click on prepare challan. Then click on OK for making sure that the challan is processed. Challan prepared successfully for the TR number so and so. Once the TR number is generated, then you can click on pay button and process the payment through net banking. Now coming to pay 7Q 14B charges. If you want to make any payments, click on 7Q 14B charges where you will be directed to direct challan entry where you need to enter the interest and damages whatever is applicable, then click on prepare challan. Once you click on prepare challan, a pop-up, are you sure you want to proceed with the challan? OK. Then here it will pop out challan prepared successfully with the TR number. Then you can click on pay button for processing the payment. Once you click on pay button, you will be directed to direct challan payment through net banking. You can pay the challan through net banking. Now click on part payment and you will be directed to monthly contribution part payment for the month of so and so. Here you can see the part payment details on the right side, that is date paid and balance. Here you can click on help button to download the document format through which you can make the part payment. Once you download the document, you need to check, verify everything is correct, then upload the verified document and then click on remark and click on upload button. And here it will be popped out that the file validation is successful. Here you can click on approve or reject button depending upon your choice. Here you can click on contribution history to check whether the details of the employees are matching with the salary statement. If you want to approve, then click on approve button. Are you sure you want to approve the contribution? Yes, OK. Then you will be popped out to contribution file number approved successfully. Here you can see that you can generate the challan. So you need to click on generate challan or cancel the challan. So if everything is correct, then you can click on generate challan and then you'll be popped out to finalize summary contribution ID. Here you need to click on finalize. Then you will be popped out challan generated successfully with the TR number so and so. Here you can see a pay or cancel options. If everything is correct, then you can click on pay button and you'll be directed to the net banking page where you need to enter the details of the banking and you can process the payment. Then finally comes the full payment. If you want to make the full payment, then click on full payment button. Then you will be directed to account wise due balance summary, where you can find out due date, paid and balance amounts, and you'll be popped out with prepared challan. Click on prepared challan, the account summary is popped out. If everything is correct, then click on finalize summary. Then we'll be directed to challan process successfully with the TR number so and so. Then you can see two buttons, that is pay or cancel. If everything is correct, then click on pay button. Then you'll be popped out to challan page where you need to select the bank and process the payment through net banking. This is about the segment 2. Now let's move on to the segment 3, that is supplementary challan. The supplementary challan is used when a new employee joins after the regular return has been already approved. In segment C, supplementary challan, there are few rules to be remembered. Only new members can be added in the supplementary return. Duplicate members will be rejected. So make sure that duplicate members entries are not done in the supplementary challan. Multiple supplementary returns are allowed for the same month wages, which means multiple supplementary entries can be done in the segment C. And the regular return must already be approved. No other return should be in process. Now let us see the practical part. Click on the return file, select the document text file, click on return type, that is supplementary return, and contribution rate, that is 12%, and enter the remark and click on upload button. File validation successful. Here a return ID will be generated and return statement will be popped out. If you want to check the return statement, then you can click on the return statement and check whether the details are correct or wrong. If everything is correct, then you can click on approve button. Please confirm. Okay. Then you will be popped out to return summary wages. Here you can check out the details of the wages and the contribution summary and the account wise summary and also the 7Q 14B summary. Here you can see the full payment and pay admin charges, inspection charges. So here also you can make the payment separately or altogether. Here we will go with full payment. Account wise due summary, deposit summary is been displayed. Here you can see the due amount, paid and balance amount, and also the challan details. Click on prepare challan and check the details of the challan. Then you can click on the finalize challan. Challan prepared successfully with TR number so and so, and TR number is generated. Here you will be popped out with two buttons, that is pay challan or cancel challan. Click on pay challan where you will be directed to challan payment. Select the bank through which you want to make the payment and process the payment. This is the process involved in segment C, that is supplementary return. Now let us see segment D, that is revised return. The revised return is used to correct mistakes in the regular return, but there are certain rules that need to be followed in the segment D of revised returns. Let us understand the rules. Approval requirement. The regular return must be approved before filing a revised return, and no concurrent returns. No other return should be in process while submitting a revised return. Downward revision limit. Reductions in contribution are allowed only before the payment process starts. Upward revision flexibility. Increases in contribution can be made at any time. Data override. Once the revised return is approved, the old data gets replaced with the new one. Now let us understand the practical part of the segment D, that is revised returns. Now you need to click on file and choose the text file and come to return type and click on revised return. Then click on contribution rate of 12%, then write the remark. Then click on reset button or upload button if everything is correct or wrong. If everything is correct, then click on upload button. Are you sure you want to confirm? Click on OK. After clicking on OK, in process return wage for the month so and so is popped out, where you can see the return statement and the action buttons, that is approve or reject. To cross verify, you can click on return statement and check whether all the details of the employees are correct or wrong. If everything is correct, then click on approve button. Are you sure you want to proceed? Click on OK. Then you will be popped out to return file ID approved successfully, and the Challan details will be popped out below. Here also you can see full payment, part payment, admin charges and pay 7Q 14B charges. So whatever the payments you want to make, you can click on the specific button and make the payments. Here we would like to go with full payment, so we need to click on full payment button. Then you will be popped out to account due deposit balance summary. Here you will be popped out with due, paid and balance amounts along with the Challan details. If everything is correct, then click on prepare Challan. Once the prepare Challan button is clicked, you will be popped out with finalizing the Challan. If all the details are correct, then click on finalize Challan. Then you will be popped out to a new page, that is Challan prepared successfully with the TR number so and so. Here you can see the TR number and the action buttons, that is pay Challan or cancel Challan. If everything is correct, then click on pay Challan. Then you will be popped out with Challan payment details. Here you have to select the bank through which the payment can be made. So here you can select the bank account and process the payment. So this is the way how to do the reverse return in the segment D. So friends, in conclusion, what we can say is that with this new system, filing EPF returns is much easier. It saves time, improves accuracy and protects you from penalties. The best practices to follow is that always cross-check the active member list with payroll, download and verify the error files carefully, double-check the wage month before uploading and keep your master data clean. So friends, hope you understood the complete step-by-step guide of EPFO Re-Engineered ECR version. So if you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.